Okay, guys, I welcome you all to today's video. We will be checking out the $500 trading tips for tonight. Okay, so we will be doing this together. And of course, guys, if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be more, based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight with what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So we are on GainX 1250 minutes time frame. Okay, I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. If you are having, you can join us. Okay, so this particular asset actually came on downtrend at this point, but got to this support zone. Try to go back on uptrend, but if you should notice, it has been playing within this region for a while. So for now, it has gotten to the lower part of the channel, so it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be more buying than selling. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is GainX 999, and of course, just the way we are saying this had been on downtrend right from here, and of course it has been selling since then. Got to the support zone, tried to go back on uptrend, but came back down, and it is trying out the support zone at the moment. Okay, so this is still selling right now because it's about to break out from this support zone, but if it does not, then it will go back on uptrend. But for now, it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is PayNext 1200, and of course, just the way you are seeing this had been on uptrend for a while, but it has gotten to this resistance. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right now. In short, it has given us the downtrend signal and sell signal, and this is selling right now. Okay, so if you missed out from the entry point, which happened to be at the top right here, somewhere here should be the entry point. Okay, so let's try to work out another entry point for ourselves in case you are just seeing this. Okay, so this is going to be a new entry point for those that are not in the that are not trading it at the moment, or that missed out from the initial entry point. Sorry. Okay, this is going to be the new entry point, and right here should be the stop loss because there is a pullback at this point, and of course it is still giving us a go ahead to sell. Okay, and of course, guys, we can highlight some TPs for ourselves right here. So we've highlighted TP1, so this should be 2P2, then TP3 somewhere here, then we can have TP4 if possible. Okay, TP4 should be somewhere here. So guys, if it's activate this entry point, we expect it to achieve all these TPs. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. Okay, and this had been on downtrend right from here, got to this region, and of course switched back into an uptrend, and right from there it went back into a downtrend, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This actually went on uptrend right from here, but it has gotten to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there, and of course it's trying to go back on downtrend right from there. Okay, so personally I expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely it should be targeting this. Okay, let me change the color of this. Okay, it should be targeting this region, guys. It should be targeting this region. Okay, so that is it. So this is more of a selling opportunity right now than a buying opportunity, so we should take note of that. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.